Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video I'm going to be doing a room tour. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that is in my room. I've been wanting to film this video for a really long time, but I just never got my room the way that I wanted it to look like. I always was just missing something and I just didn't like the way my room looked. So recently I purchased a few items that made my room look so much better. So I thought that I would finally share with you guys what my room looks like. So if you guys want to see my room tour, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just standing in my hallway right now. So this is the entranceway to my room. So I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of an overview. So this is kind of what my room looks like. And so I'm going to start on this side. So right here I just have my nightstand, and I got this just at an antique store. And then on top of it I have a little picture frame that says "Love You to the Moon and Back" with my picture of me and Taylor on it. And then right here I just have one of my favorite candles burning. So this is from Yankee Candle and it's cherry lemonade. And then I have this little sign again that says "Love You to the Moon and Back." And then in these drawers, this first drawer I just kind of have like chargers, lotion, just random things. And then the second one I just have like t-shirts, and then t-shirts again in the last one. And then this is my bed. My bedspread is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I just have a full-size bed. And then above it, which is what I really like, which is kind of like my Polaroid wall and like Polaroid bed frame that I tried to like create. So I just have a bunch of Polaroids that I've taken over the years. Then on top, that top row is Polaroids from 1989. And then all around my room I just have some string lights. So this is my mirror that I have and I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. I'll show you guys what it looks like close up. So it's just kind of like this. It looks like wood, but like not. It's like white. I don't really know how to describe this pattern, but I really like it. And then right here is my dresser, and then above it I have a signed Kelsea Ballerini poster, and then I have 4 bigger Taylor Polaroids that I got from like the 1989 VIP package. And then on this part of my dresser I just have this little thing that rotates and it just has a mirror on it. I just keep a lighter right here for my candles, and then in here I just have some of my most used perfumes as well as lotions. And then right here I just have a Brooklyn candle and then a couple more perfumes. And then over here I just have yet again another candle. And then I have this tray right here that says "Love You to the Moon." And then I have this that also says "Love You to the Moon and Back." If you don't know, that's one of my favorite sayings. And so I just have a couple pairs of earrings and then a bracelet in there. And then I just keep my Polaroid camera right there. And here's kind of like a better view of the Polaroids that I have. I know the lighting is kind of weird because I have this light right there. And then moving on over, right here is where I keep all of my makeup, but I just keep all of my eyeshadow palettes right in here. And then right here I just keep some of my most used products and some just like sprays that I don't want to be laying down. I want them to stand up. So I keep that right there. And then this little jar right here, you can't even tell, but it says "Love You to the Moon and Back" on it, of course. And then I have these gold and silver little cups that I got at Michael's, and I have 2 of those that I just keep my makeup brushes in. And then this drawer thing is from Michael's as well, and this is something that I want to get rid of, and I want to get something more sturdy for my makeup because as you can see this tilts really easily. So I want to get the Alex 9 drawers from IKEA. I just haven't purchased those yet. Alright, and then over here is just my desk, and this is where I do my makeup every morning. And then above it I have these like blue little like bulb lights that I got, and then on top of them I just have a couple more of those 1989 Polaroids. And then above it I just have S&T for my sorority. My big painted those for me, so I keep those above my window. And then that's just kind of like my view out my window. It's just trees. And then right here I have my necklace holder, and then I also just keep all of my Alex and Annie bracelets, and then I just have some random things at the bottom. This right here is super important to me. This is a soap, and this is from Italy, and this is from my sister when she went there this past May, and it smells amazing. So I like to just hang this right here because it smells So good. And then I just have my laptop, and then over here I just have my mirror that I do my makeup. I have my desk lamp, and then I just have my moisturizer, and then my micellar water to take off my makeup. I just keep that all right there. And then I have another light that is the same light that is over there. And I normally just kind of throw my backpack wherever, but that's where I threw it today. So this first drawer just has a bunch of random stuff, school supplies in. And then this second drawer has all of like my notebooks and folders. I have like my iPad, my Beats headphones are down in there. And then this little wooden crate just has all of my textbooks in it. And then this is my closet. So on the back of my doors, I just have like some of my most used bags. So I just have like a backpack and a purse. And then I have that as well over here, just like my most used purses. So this is what my closet looks like. I have all of my shoes up there on top. And then obviously my whole closet. The way I organize it is I have coats back there, and then I have skirts. And then I have all my tank tops, and they're all like color coordinated. You kind of can't tell, but like they are. And then it moves into short sleeves, so that's all color coordinated. And then it moves into long sleeves. And then back here is all of my dresses. And then below it, I have a bunch of Preds merch that I just got from my job. And then I have my purse, and then my camera bag. And then I just have 2 little bins with just like my bathing suits at the bottom, just like jeans, shorts, stuff like that. And then I just kind of have luggage back there. And then we are back to the beginning of my room, so I can just give you guys another pan of what my room looks like. So that was my room. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do an apartment tour, just leave that in the comments down below and I will be more than happy to do that for all of you guys. Make sure that you guys are subscribed because I do post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.